Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. And this is going to be a little bonus read for you, being the last day of the month. I thought let me do a special read for all of you to see who's coming towards you, who's your secret admirer, and what they want to say to you, how they feel about you. So just a quick little mini read. Let's see what comes up. My angel spirit guides, bless this reading for my Taurus gang and send them the messages they need to hear about their secret admirer. Thank you. All right, Taurus, let's see. Let's see who's watching Taurus. Okay, 3 cards for you. And bottom of my deck, I have the star. My God, somebody's wish fulfillment. That's for sure. Look at this, beautiful. So I'm going to take 3 more cards here as clarifiers for these 3 cards, just as supporting cards. Let's see. Taurus and their secret admirer. Who's the secret admirer, Spirit? What do they feel about my Taurus gang? The High Priestess in reverse. They want to come and speak their truth, it seems. They haven't told you yet. I think this person is wishing, hoping, praying for you, Taurus, and they want to come and reveal some secrets which are in their heart. I guess that they care for you, they love you. Hanged Man, supported by the Emperor in reverse. Look at this person. They are stuck on you big time, Taurus. This whoever this person is, could be an Aries, I don't know, fire sign. They're trying to control themselves. They're holding back big time. Look at this. Holding back, not making a move, maybe pretending not to care or waiting for the right opportunity. They're holding back big time their energy. So maybe not to scare you, I don't know. Let's see. 5 of Pentacles and the 9 of Wands. This person is feeling quite neglected by you, Taurus. They feel you don't give them too much attention. If you know this person, they're feeling quite on the outside right now and maybe waiting for you to let them in. You seem to have your guards up like big time. 9 of Wands, like don't enter my zone kind of a thing. And if they're getting that vibe from you, they are stuck on you. They're waiting but feeling very, very lonely inside without you. Let's see your third card. 7 of Swords and the 3 of Wands. They are waiting for their chance to sneak into your life as quickly as possible, Taurus. You may not even know who this person is. And if you do know, then I think you have your guard up. So this person is waiting that the minute they get a little bit of an opening, a little open door, they want to sneak in quickly. They're waiting for their chance, big time. Patiently waiting. Hanged Man, 3 of Wands and the Emperor in reverse. So this person is trying to control themselves by not making any move till the time is right. Let's see if this person wants to say something to you, what that would be. Taurus's person, Spirit, their secret admirer. If they could say something to them, what would that be? Taurus's secret admirer. Taurus's secret admirer. All right. So the first card here says, I can't bear the thought of you being with someone else. I get so jealous. I just want you to be mine. I've always loved you and I always will. From the very first moment I looked into your eyes, I knew that you were my eternal love. No matter how complicated this gets, I won't ever give up on you or us. You were in my dreams again last night. I always dream of you every night. You are my ultimate fantasy. And the last one here says, Taurus, I would wait for eternity to be with you. I will never let you go. You are my one true love. I've been waiting a lifetime for you. Didn't I just say that, Taurus? Somebody is waiting, trying to, not show their excitement or rush towards you, maybe feeling quite kind of neglected by you at the moment. So, yes, there is somebody around you, Taurus. If you give them a chance, they're going to sweep in and sweep you off your feet. So that's all I have for you. Just a fun little read. I'll see you now on Thursday for your in depth one. Till next time, then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.